We're doing a maintenance upgrade here at 2600. Most of this pipe that you're seeing come out has been in process for many years.
This is water storage tanks. All the rainwater on site here ends up coming to these tanks and gets sent back up to 3608 to get treated before it gets released back.
We've had several valve failures and the piping is aging, and we've had some leaks and stuff that we needed to get repaired.
This pipe was put in back in the 80s, and it's time for it to be changed out. It's wearing thin.
The current piping that we're replacing is our jet mixture piping. It's used to keep the material inside the tank stirred up, and then our feed lines going to our pumps, we're replacing that.
We're demoing out all the carbon pipe off of the tanks, and we're replacing it with Schedule 10 stainless steel 18-inch pipe, so that way it'll last another 50, 60, 70 years, last longer than what this has lasted. We've gotten all the old pipe out. We're now putting it into the intermodal, and we're just getting started on flying the new pipe in.
One of the things that makes this hard is the fact that the water that we receive never stops coming. There's no valve you can turn off and stop it. And it makes the scheduling, it makes the execution, it makes the just pulling it all together and making the plan happen. It's a challenge. We've put in bypasses to allow us to do certain things at different times, when we do these repairs. And it just takes a lot of planning, a lot of execution, and the guys coming to work and doing what they do best.
The time they ordered all the material and it all came in, and then we all got everything in the shop and got everything fabbed up. We come over and measured everything out, then we had to take everything back and draw it all out as far as the engineering. We've done a few modifications to make it easier for the chemical operators to operate, so it took a little while, I'd say several months, to get it all fabbed up and ready to go.
It's a lot of labor-intensive work going on here, cutting out all the old pipe and putting in the new pipe. We're having to cut the stuff out. We're having to use the crane, rigging to the pipe while we're cutting stuff out, flying all that stuff out. We're having to bag the ends of the pipe and everything like that to keep whatever rad that's in the pipe when we fly it out and put it into these interlocals. We've got a lot of craft members here. We've got chem ops, we've got the riggers, we've got the operators, we've got laborers, pipe fitters, the welders. We've got IH here because of heat stress and all the safety things we have to do in order to be able to weld in these rad areas and stuff like that. RPTs are here to cover us on the rad protection and everything. We're having to dress out, go inside an area. When the temperature gets up to a certain point, we have to wear heart monitors to make sure nobody gets overheated.
Most of our guys have worked together for at least 5 to 10 years, and some even longer. Each of our crafts on a maintenance program knows each other, knows how we work, knows if something's wrong, knows if something's off, and it just flows in that direction of pure unity here on the maintenance side.
They're doing a great job. They've done a great job. They work hard. We got a great group.